Ohmygod is a comb filter plugin and is great for applying a tonal quality to percussive material, for example drum loops. In this tutorial we're going to show you various ways you can process beats with Ohmygod. So start by dragging D&B beat 174 onto an audio track in your DAW and set the project tempo to 174 BPM. So add the Ohmygod effect to the audio track. Now right away you'll hear that the comb filter has a dramatic effect on the sound. You can change the pitch of the filter using the frequency knob in the comb filter panel, and right away it's obvious how you can automate this parameter to create exciting riser effects. You can use the feedback knob in the same panel to make the effect more subtle or more obvious. By automating this as well, you can add another dimension to the effect where the beat emerges from the tonal sound or disappears into it. The polarity button toggles the comb filter between positive and negative polarity. In negative mode, the effect has a different timbre. The frequency of the filter is more obvious in this mode. This is ideal if you want the effect to stand out more in a mix. You can tailor the response of the feedback knob using the feedback filter panel. So to cut a long story short, you'll want to keep the damping down to make the effect audible and keep the cutoff and resonance relatively low to stop the effect from creating an ear-piercing feedback loop, unless that is indeed what you're after. As well as using straightforward filter frequency automation, you can use MIDI to create frequencies with specific pitches. Change the mode from classic to MIDI mono. You'll notice that the frequency knob is now faded out and the comb filter frequency is stuck at a fixed pitch. Create a new MIDI track and route the Ohmygod effect to the audio channel. Most DAWs offer this kind of functionality, so if you're not sure how to do it, consult your DAW's documentation. Now you can copy the MIDI part we've used here or create your own. It's possible to use pitch bend to create rising and falling effects, and you can even use multiple comb filter frequencies by switching the mode from MIDI mono to MIDI poly. The distortion and filter panels in the post-processing section are applied after the comb filter effect, and they function exactly as you'd expect. Finally, you'll find it possible to modulate each of Ohmygod's parameters with its own dedicated LFO. To do this, simply click a parameter and a brown ring will appear around the lucky chosen knob, and you can apply the LFO modulation by turning up the amp amount in the LFO panel. Then all you do is select your wave shape and set the period control accordingly.